Hey third graders, welcome to Module 2, Lesson 21. This is our last lesson of this module before we start doing some review. Pretty exciting that we made it to the end of our place value module. Today we're going to be estimating sums and differences of measurements by rounding, and then we're going to solve. So remember, sum is adding, difference is subtracting, estimating and rounding go hand in hand. You round so that you can estimate. Let's get started. On our first problem today, I'd like you guys to copy this down onto your chart, or onto your notes, excuse me. Go ahead and find the estimate of if you had 153 milliliters of juice and you added 459 more milliliters, how much would you have? Go ahead and find your estimate, find your exact answer, and prove your exact answer with your place value chart. Go ahead and do that right now. Press pause and then press play when you're done. All right, let's get started on correcting your work. For my estimate, I just want to estimate before I do my real answer. So it's kind of that quick mental math to guess about what my answer is going to be. So 153 is really close if I round to the nearest 10, because I notice that I have a 53 and a 59. Those are both numbers really close to the midpoint, and because of that, that signals to me that I'm going to want to round to the nearest 10, because if I round to the nearest 100, I'm going to be going too far away from my original number. So I'm going to round 150 milliliters plus 460 milliliters equals approximately, and so then I have 500s, and I know that 60 plus 50 is 110 because 6 plus 5 is 11, add my 0. So I have 4, 5, 6, so it's going to be 610 milliliters estimated. Now what's my exact answer? Let's find out. When I do it just standard algorithm, I have 9 plus 3 ones, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. 4, 5, 6, 612 milliliters. I know that my estimate was reasonable because look, my exact answer was only 2 away from my estimated answer. Double checking it with my place value chart, I would have had 153. And
then added 459 more. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9.
So 612. I had to bundle these 10 together to make a new 10. And when I made my new 10, then I could bundle those 10 together and make a new 100. Then I got 612, 612. Everything matches. We're reasonable. 2 thumbs up. All right. Here is your next problem. All right, when we estimate on this, notice that this is our same problem again, but this time we are subtracting. So we had to flip the numbers around because our largest number is always going to go first. So what's greater, 459 or 153, and how much greater is it? So how much more juice would be in this carton than this one? Go ahead and estimate. Find your exact answer, place value chart, pause and play when you're done. All right, so again, when I'm estimating, I notice that these are near the halfway point, so I'm just going to use my same numbers from last time. So I have 460 milliliters minus 150 milliliters equals, or is approximately. And then I have, so 310 milliliters approximately. Now, when I'm doing this side by side, I'm still thinking to myself, would I have to carry it all if my 150 was under here? So it would be 0, take away 0, 6, take away 5, 4, take away 1. So even though I made it look like it was magical, I really was still thinking about my borrowing. But it's nice because I had my zeros here, so that made it one less step that I had to do in my head when I was estimating. So my estimate is 310 milliliters. Let's see what my exact answer is. So 9 take away 3 is 6. 5 take away 5 is 0. 4 take away 1 is 3. So this looks pretty reasonable because they're very close together. All right, I'll show you in fast time the place value chart. All right, so I have 459. Are you guys organizing your place value discs? So see how mine look kind of like arrays? That way I can really keep track of how many I've already drawn and how many I have. So I have 459, but this time we're going to be taking away or destroying. So 9, take away 3, 1, 2, 3, leaves me with 2, 4, 6. 5, take away 5, leaves me with 0. And 4, take away 1, leaves me with 3. So my answers match here. Yay, good to go. All right, here is our final problem. Go ahead and solve our final problem. Find your estimate, your exact, and do your place value chart. This is a little different because we have 3 numbers here, but notice that this number right here, you're not going to need to round this. There's already 2 zeros, so that already makes it really easy for mental math. So you're going to estimate those 2, add this one to it, and then with these you're going to have to stack 3. Notice I did make a mistake because I should have left more room up here for carrying when I have to bundle some things together. But otherwise, go ahead and get to it, solve, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, third graders.